Hey folks, Technivorous here. Today we are back and we have another giveaway for you. So we are going to be giving away a full bottle, that is right, a full bottle of the Nano Polymer Adhesive. We'll be having a video coming up on this sometime this month, so keep an eye out for that. Here's the package we'll be sending out courtesy of Nano Polymer and VisionMiner.com. So this is the prize for the Scavenger Hunt. That's right, we're going to be doing a Scavenger Hunt. 2 runners-up will also be receiving the miniature demo bottle of the Nano Polymer Adhesive, so we'll be sending out 2 of these as well. Stay tuned and we'll show you exactly how to enter the Scavenger Hunt. Technivorous channel is brought to you by these fine Patreon supporters. Check us out on Patreon at patreon.com/Technivorous. Okay, so here's the deal. Every once in a while I have to update the descriptions that are automatically uploaded with each video, and in those are a bunch of links and things like that. Right now it says that the current channel goal is 10,000 subscribers, and we've passed that. We are almost to 12,000 subscribers, so thanks for that, but I think it's time to update those descriptions. So since I was in the process of doing that, I decided to go back and we'll deal with some things that I've hidden in there over the time that I've been posting videos. So this scavenger hunt has a bit of a pirate theme. We're going to be looking for treasure, a pirate flag, and a ship. So what I want you to do is find the things that I'm telling you. I want you to post all 3 of them in a comment down below, and the first one to get all 3 will get the main prize. So here we go. I got a couple of hints for you. To find the treasure for the scavenger hunt, the hint that you're going to get is X marks the spot. That should give you everything you need to find the keyword for the treasure. To find the pirate flag, well, there is basically a pirate flag throughout the whole video. In that video, there is also a keyword, so that's number 2. And for the ship, well, it's a boat. If you can't figure out what boats have to do with 3D printing and find that on your own, you're probably in the wrong place. So what I want you to do is find the keywords that are mentioned in the descriptions of those videos and post all 3 of them down below. Like I said, first one to get all 3 wins the prize. That's going to be it for this video, guys. Pay no attention to the mess going on behind me. Pay more attention to the mess going on my shirt. Check this out. Finally got the merch available. That's right, finally hit 10K, so the merch is finally here. Make sure you check out the Teespring merchandise bar below the video. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe because we have more videos coming your way. In fact, I've thrown a couple of suggestions, videos for you to watch on the screen right now, so go ahead and check those out. When you get done, don't forget to pop over and check out the merchandise. There's plenty of stuff to see, and thanks for watching, guys.